What if Hasselblad color science landed in your pocket? Today we're breaking down the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, price, specs, release window, and the one upgrade that could change handheld video forever. Stick around because in a minute I'll tell you whether you should buy the Pocket 3 now or hold for the 4. And yes, there's a twist in the timeline you'll want to hear. So, what do we know? DJI and Hasselblad have been intertwined for years. DJI first took a strategic stake in 2015 and has since become the majority owner. That partnership already put Hasselblad's look into DJI's top drones via HNCS, Hasselblad Natural Color Solution. Translation: richer, more accurate color with skin tones that don't turn you into a carrot. If Pocket 4 gets that pipeline, we're talking pro-level color science without the post-production headache. Rumors point to a subtle size bump, around 190 grams, to fit a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen at roughly 480 by 800 and approximately 800 nits. That means better daylight visibility and easier framing. Expect cleaner button placement and a grippier texture for long shoots. Camera-wise, leaks suggest a 1-inch CMOS with a 20mm f2.0 lens, 10-bit recording with D-Log-M, and HDR options. Coming up, why 240 frames per second at 4K isn't just a flex. For context, Pocket 3 already brought a 1-inch sensor and a 2-inch rotatable display, so this would be a meaningful quality of life jump rather than a gimmick. Here's where the debate gets juicy. Early chatter says 4K at 240 frames per second, phase detect AF with eye tracking, and a new processor for real-time HDR previews and faster workflows. Add ActiveTrack 7.0 plus a smarter blend of mechanical gimbal plus electronic stabilization, and you're looking at smoother action shots with fewer focus hunts, ideal for vloggers, travelers, and creators who move fast. Is it confirmed? Not yet, but multiple rumor rundowns and creator buzz point to a performance leap rather than a safe spec bump. Trust me on this one, if 240 frames per second at 4K lands, B-roll and sports sequences get a whole new look. Battery life is tipped to improve with faster top-ups. Great, because nothing kills creativity like a dead gimbal. Now the timeline. DJI's cadence has been Pocket 2, October 2020, followed by Pocket 3, late October 2023. If that WAD's 3-year rhythm holds, a late 2026 to early 2027 Pocket 4 window tracks. Pricing whispers? $699 standard and $799. Creator combo, higher than Pocket 3's $519 or $669 launch, but aligned with the rumored display, AF, and processing upgrades. File it under credible, not official, and budget accordingly. Should you wait? If you need a pocketable gimbal today, the Pocket 3 is still a beast. 1-inch sensor, gorgeous 4K, and that flip screen makes it a no-brainer for most creators. But if you crave Hasselblad-level color in camera, next-gen autofocus, and 4K at 240 FPS slow-mo, waiting could pay off big. My take, if your current rig is holding you back, go Pocket 3 now and upgrade later. If you can coast for a year or two, hold and watch the leaks. Your turn. Which rumored upgrade excites you most? Hasselblad color, 4K at 240 frames per second, or ActiveTrack 7.0? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update.